sparkling at that time. Barclay Bank. Sparkling. Incredible view.
Do you recall not long ago when you walked on the sidewalk? You said, you know.
Wow, look at those skyscrapers. These are so inspiring to me. I feel the lifestyle here when you don't need to sleep, you can stay up late. There's so many activities around, and you can feel a lively life here. You can enjoy the life full of speed, shopping, fun activities. You never feel bored in New York, especially. Just enjoy the bright streets, bright view there around. Wow, you look over there above. This is Empire State Building, very iconic architecture in New York. I mean, the intersection, walking around to some avenues. It was so much cold, but we all feel great, awesome. No words can express the feeling that the vibe and energy of this city brings to me. That's why I have visited here like 3 times, but I still feel like it's just the first time. I never felt enough. What I dream, what I wish is that can walk around, work here as local. I love the lifestyle here. Those activities can make you busy all day and night, and your eyes are fulfilled of new things, new decorations, new activities, new spirit, and most of all, the freedom. The freedom is valuable. You see the giant trees over there? This is a Christmas tree. It decorates for Rockefeller Building. It's like a popular, well-known attraction for Christmas, New Year Eve in New York. It's a part of tradition, kind of traditional decoration. It's really inspiring to see little things to giant trees here. I am owning a giant building like that. You see, believe. The building called Believe. So believe in yourself, believe in your dream, living in what you wish, and one day it can become true. Okay, now let's visit one of the best museums in not only New York but USA, the Metropolitan Museum of Art. After finish this trip, I head out to MoMA. MoMA is for modern art, the Museum of Modern Art. On the way there, I saw some buildings with special decoration, as you see. The Red Barn. Thousands of guests, tourists, locals are around. You can see how bustle and hustle here. Yes, it's a MoMA decoration. It looks so modern, and I prefer this place is more than the best museum, as they say. very special. They have some special pictures from Van Gogh. And now Times Square again. Times Square is always sparkling. And this is Grand Central, the sparkling station. This is Hyde Park Road Library. I can feel intellectual states here.